Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another makeup haul. I have a Sephora here, a Sephora bag, a little Ulta bag, and also another package from SHOPMISSA. So anyway, so let's just start. I have no self-control, so let's just start. Anyways, first things first, from Sephora with this tiny bag. I know I just literally uploaded a Sephora haul, but I forgot to purchase these. This is a Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is a repurchase because I ran out of my Too Faced concealer already, and I got the same shade, which is warm beige. And all of the price I will be putting on the screen or in the description box below. So right there, this is like one of my favorite like concealer, you guys. I just love this concealer. Okay, next one is I saw this new lip gloss from Maybelline, and it's the Lifter Gloss right here. I get the shade 001 Pearl, and oh my goodness, I like the packaging. It reminds me of the KKW packaging, like the lipstick. And the next one is the 008 Stone right there. So that's the shade, and I can't wait to try this, you guys. I don't know, I'm just a sucker of like a lip gloss. I don't know, it's just me. Next one, it's cheap because they were having on sale for this one. This is the Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and I got the shade Keep It Spicy. And I know I literally just got the cafe shade at the L.A Girl, same brand, L.A Girl, but this was on sale, so why not? Okay, let's move on with Sephora right here. If you guys want to swatch, you know what, I'm just gonna do a swatch for this lip gloss real quick. Okay, so that's the Duvolle applicator, and I'm gonna give you guys a swatch. Oh my goodness, wow. So that's the Stone right there, and let me swatch the Pearl. This has like some gloss in it. I mean, not gloss, some, how do you call that, shimmery. Ooh, this is good of like if you wear it by itself, or you put it like after your lipstick, and it smells amazing. So that's the shade Pearl. Oh my god, it smells so sweet. Okay, I believe these are like $6.99. I think this is $4.99, and this is $29. Yes, I think. All right, so Sephora, my goodness, I went there just for one thing, which is a toner, and I got like a couple of stuff. All right, first things first is this fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I know I just got the toner from The Ordinary, but I use that on PM, and I ran out of my Olehenriksen toner already, and I want to try something new. So I got this, and hopefully this one will work for me. And I seen like a lot of beauty gurus like use this toner, and you guys, there's like rose inside. Like, look how cute that is. It's so freaking cute, and I want to smell it. I don't know. Okay, just let me smell it real quick. I'm gonna open this. It smells good. Yep, I can definitely smell the rose, and I can't wait to try and use this. I mean, look, oh my god, I like the packaging. The packaging also sold me out, so yeah. Put this here. Okay, next one is from Olehenriksen. I don't know if that's how you pronounce this brand. So I seen like a lot of good stuff about this vitamin C serum. I know I just got the Ordinary serum, but I also want to try this. This is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum from Olehenriksen, and this is really kind of expensive, but hopefully it will work wonder for me. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is the packaging right there, and it comes with like a pump, which is good. And it says apply evenly to face and neck daily. So I'm gonna try this tomorrow, and I'm gonna do like, maybe I'll update you guys on all the products that I mentioned on today's video, maybe 2 weeks or a month from now, if it's, you know, if there's something amazing going on with my face, because my face needs help. So that's that. All right, next two is from Olaplex. Olaplex right here. I heard a lot of good stuff about this too, so that's why I want to try it. And this is the shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm using the, I forgot the brand, I forgot, I'll put the picture here, but I'm using this brand of shampoo and conditioner. And I also used the Way scrub last night, and also I put the rose oil. And you guys, my hair has never been this soft, like legit soft, and it smells amazing. And I'm gonna try this tomorrow, or like later tonight. If I go, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna try this shampoo. And I know they're on a pricey side, because I feel like they're like $20 something for 250 milligrams. So okay, yeah, it's $28 for each one of these. I know it's kind of a bit expensive, but I will definitely update you, like I said, if it's worth, you know, the purchase. So that's that for Sephora. And let's move on with, I just got this package today in the mail and I can't wait to use it. And I don't have any lashes, it's really natural. I just have like my put my L'Oreal mascara right here. So I ordered I ordered a lot of lashes from SHOPMISSA. If you guys are wondering, because you guys will DM me, like if I post a picture or like a video on like on my YouTube or Instagram, you guys will like, some of you guys will DM me like, where did you buy that lashes? Or I see like comments like, I like your lashes, where do you get that, like what's the name? So yes, these are like foaming lashes, and I use this over like, maybe for one of these I'll use it like 2 to 3 times. So let me just open this. Shut up. Okay, I have like, I don't know how many I ordered, but I have a lot, you guys. Oh my goodness, I like dramatic lashes, that's just me. I like how the package is so good with this bubble wrap. Okay, oh my god. Okay, wait, okay, right, that's it. All right, first things first is this natural lashes. And before, I think I was using it on my vlog, the lashes that I was wearing was, the name was Alexis, but Alexis was sold out, so I got the name or design Scarlet. It kind of like almost look like the Alexis, like if on like on a daily, and you know, I'm not, you know, feeling like putting like dramatic lashes, I go for like the natural looking ones. So yeah, I believe these are like $5 something. Like I said, I'll put all the price in the description box or in the screen, so you guys, if you guys are interested. So yeah, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's like a 6-pack of lashes right there. Right, moving on. Oh my goodness, this is like 3D foaming lashes. So I have Jessica right there, and Vanessa right there. Oh my god, I like Vanessa. Next one is Ariel, the name of Ariel. Next one is Jackie. I like this one too. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try them on. Another one for Jessica, you guys have already seen her. Next one is Eva. I haven't tried Eva, but you guys, look at Eva. Oh my god. Okay, so the price is $1.55, and you guys will, oh my god, go to SHOPMISSA right now. And if you're like, if you love and like foaming lashes, then definitely go get you one. Okay, the next one is Tori. I love Tori. Next one is Chrissy. Ooh, Chrissy is a little nice. Next one is Jean. Jean is a repurchase. I love Jean. And then next one is Amanda. Right there. Amanda's like more of like natural looking wispy. Next one is Vanessa. You guys already seen her. And next one is Gaia. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Right there, but that's the lashes. Next one is Harper. Right there. Next one is Ariel. Right there. I don't know how many did I got? Next one is Brianna. Brianna is a repurchase because I love her. Like, look at, oh my, I love these lashes. Next one is Terry. Right there. And then next one is Elydia. Elydia is a repurchase. Next one is Elydia. Okay, yeah, okay, so I got two Elydia. I love Elydia. Okay, so this is not makeup related. I'm just gonna show you because I went to Target earlier. So I got like the regular t-shirt. I don't know what's the name of this. Yeah, just a regular t-shirt in black. I already have the white ones, and when I tried the white ones on, it's really comfortable and they're very lightweight. So I got the black one on size medium, and also the brown one on size medium. I know this is not like makeup related, but yeah, I just like want to show that to you guys real quick. Also not makeup related, I got this at Starbucks earlier today as well. Look how pretty that is. I don't know, I like making my own iced coffee now, especially at home. So yeah, that is all for this makeup haul, you guys. I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.